Yo, what's up, guys? So, the market analysis is starting in just a second. Give me 1 second. Alright, so, let me just share it on my Telegram channel. Please join. Highly. Watch it live on Twitter. Alright, so, good evening, ladies and gentlemen. So starting off with the FIDI data, FIs have bought for 765 crores, DIs have sold for 500 crores, and going to the derivatives of FIIs. Let's see FIIs, this thing, what do we call short position, long positions. So FIIs are currently long about 10,000 quantities. So basically, whenever you look at the FIDI data in index open interest data, so basically what you do is that you just look at this total net, okay? All this net shorts, net puts, they're just, I mean, they are helpful for in-depth analysis, like if you want, if they're hedging or something, if they're doing what positions they're basically on, then you should do this detailed analysis. But I usually do not do that, and I just do 10,000. I just look at the total net figures. So currently currently pros and FIs are bullish, DIs and clients have sold. Alright, so I'll move on to the Bank Nifty UI data. Bank Nifty UI data for 11th August, which is the next expiry now, and which is the next expiry now. So basically, 38,500 has good call writing. 38,500 has good call writing. 38,000 has good call writing. 37,000 and 36,500 has good put writing. UI data on Thursdays are usually not they're not usually viewed, but since today has good put writing and call writing, I am adding this into the market analysis. So 70,000 has good put writing, and 70,300 is a good short straddle. 17,400, 70,500, 17,600, and 17,800 all have good call writing. So there is huge call writing in Nifty, and 17,000 and 36,000 37,500 and 37,000 act as good supports. So again, I'm just gonna go quickly into the US markets now. Dow is down about 0.28%, S&P is down about 0.1%, Nasdaq is up about plus 1%, so expecting a flat opening tomorrow, and Nasdaq up and VIX is up about 1%. So tomorrow is the MPC meeting, and I'm pretty sure the MPC meeting is going to be live at 10 a.m. So till 10 a.m. I don't think so we should take any trades, and after the MPC meeting, I think we can expect a good move on either sides. The market is expecting 50 basis points hike, and if there's a 35 or 40 basis point hike, then I think the market should take that positively, and we should move towards the upside. But if the market takes a 70 basis point or even high, then it should be bad. Even leave aside the MPC meeting rate hike decision. The important thing is the commentary that Mr. Shaktikant Das says tomorrow. All right, so. Alright, so basically, sorry about that. So basically, what I was saying is that we should wait for his commentary on the markets tomorrow, and then we should make a trade plan accordingly. So the market will tell us, the price will tell us, and for you, I have just simplified things, and I have I've just kept my charts ready. So this is the Nifty. I was just looking at stocks, and I'll just load up Nifty's chart. So we'll start with the top-down approach, as we know, and just give me 1 second, guys. Just give me 1 second. First, sorry, guys. So I'm back, and So yeah, basically let's start with the top down approach. Nifty coming to the weekly charts. This is the midweek analysis, if you want to call it, and you can call it. So 15,200 we made a bottom, then we saw a good rally. I'll show you about how many points we saw. About 2,300 point rally, and there haven't been a lot of retracements. Okay, so I'm expecting some pullback. Okay, and if I draw the weekly Fibonacci from here, if it wants to draw, that is, yes please, thank you. If I draw weekly Fibonacci from here, as you can see, we have currently crossed the mean reversion range, and yeah, just apologies for the background sound, guys. Yeah, so we currently crossed the mean reversion level. 0.68 fib has been crossed, and coming to the daily analysis, I'm just expecting some halt in the markets right now. The markets have just been rallying straightforward, so expecting some cool down in Nifty, and maybe we can play a range of 17,500 and 17,141. I'd be more than happy to do that. I would be more than happy to sit out of the markets, let the option sellers make money, let them eat the premiums. I am very happy with that. I just don't want an overstretched rally, and I just don't want the markets to just crash like others, and just create a lot of volatility in general. So that's it for the top down approach. I don't think so there is much to add from here. I've already given you the Fibonacci levels, and there aren't any important Fibonacci levels, but even if you want it, till where can we expect a reversal? Like, till when will we be short is the question. Okay, so the answer to that is pretty simple. I have told you all that I will be short below 16,000, below 17,000. Okay, I'll tell you why. Because on the daily charts, I don't want a higher high, higher low, and I don't want to short here. Where I want to short is here, higher low, some distribution, and this area is where I want to short. This is where the trend changes, and this is where the downtrend starts. That's when I want to short. Till the time I don't see lower highs and lower lows in the daily time frame, I will not be short on the markets. Okay, and I will give you some more macroeconomics, and not macroeconomics. I'll give you some more macro factors which I've been going through recently, and also the sectoral view of the current Indian markets right now, FMCG, IT, and FinServ. So make sure to stay tuned for after the chart analysis. We'll definitely dive into the sectoral analysis. So that's it for the top down approach. There's literally nothing much. In an uptrend, please mark the swing lows. Okay, swing lows are very important. So maybe this maybe 17,141 is going to act as good support, followed by 17,000 will act as good support. It's also a psychological level, followed by good OI writing. So till the time we are not below 17,000 and we are not trading at around 16,800 to 900, I will not be bearish. Okay, I will not be bearish. I will consider everything as buy on sell puts on dips, because if you buy calls, then I don't know, it's according to you, but I would rather sell puts than buy calls. And if I go to the point of a chart in Nifty, and I highly recommend you to get the subscription of stock charts. And even if you don't want to get the subscription of stock charts, you can try a hack like me. You can just make the you can make the make an account, and you can go for the free trial, and you get 1 month free, and you can change it every time the month expires. So yeah, coming to the point of the charts, I just wanted to show you 16,300 was a beautiful, lovely level for a breakout, and I had mentioned it in my Telegram as well. And Devang Mehra had initially given this view, and thus I copied his view and I have given it to y'all. And I openly said it. It is all his analysis. I know Point and Figure charts, and I know this website only because of him. So all credits goes to him. Okay, so make sure to follow his Telegram. It's in my own Telegram channel. Okay, and yeah, so make sure to attend his webinars, guys. Like literally, they're eye-opening and they are the best. Okay, and okay, so let's go ahead. Let's just clean our page real quick. So as you can see, the US markets are currently moving down. I see. Okay, all good. Let's know that's not an issue. So point and figure chart will tell me that I will short below. I will be bearish when 16,400 is crossed, because see, point and figure chart says you be bullish when the X has crossed the previous X, and the O has crossed the previous O. Here O's. Wait, I'll just open my Epic Pen real quick, and Here O stands for bearishness and X stands for bullishness. Okay, so till the time point of a chart say that till the time we are not below 16,450, we should not short. Okay, and if you want, you can take this thing as well. What do we call? Yeah, so till the time we are not below 16,450, that is here, we should not be very bearish. See, what I mean by is that once we break 17,000 level, I mean to say that I mean to say that I'm mildly bearish to sideways, because this will be a consolidation zone or this will be a volatility zone. Now from here, if we trade around here, if we fall here, then we'll consolidate here, and then we see that are we seeing a good up move, or this is just a retracement and then we are seeing an up move. Okay, but for me, till the time we are trading here, it is still bearish. Okay, but when we are trading above 17,000 levels, it is bullish for me. I will be totally bearish when point and figure charts give me a short signal. Okay, mind you. And my Epic Pen doesn't want to open, I guess. I don't know what's wrong with it. Okay, let me just go to Task Manager real quick. Epic Pen, please open. And okay, it doesn't want to open. Okay, it opened. Where is it? Okay, found it. Oh, oops, sorry. Okay. Okay, let's go. Let's do this analysis. Let's carry forward. Yep, sorry. So O here stands for bears. Okay. X here stands for bulls. Okay. Simple analysis. So till the time point and figure chart won't give me a short till we cross 16,450 level. Okay, and as you can see, once we broke this trend line, we saw this huge rally towards the upside. I have explained you the importance of point and figure chart, and I've also given you this image a lot of times in my Telegram channel. So make sure to join my Telegram channel for more insights. So that's for the top down approach. That's for the point of a chart. Point of a chart gives me a short below 16,400, and and what do we call? Just give me 1 second, guys. I need to fit to screen. Yep. Okay. Point of a chart gives me a short below 16,450, but for me, I will be mildly bearish to sideways after we break 17,000. Okay, and I will not be totally bearish. I will only be totally bearish once the point of a chart of 16,450 levels or 16,400 levels are achieved. Okay, so yeah, if you want, I can even draw the Fibonacci level just for your confirmation and just tell you that 16,480 levels, 580 levels. So this area you can consider it as a very volatile area. So this is where the point of the chart will tell me to go short as well. Until the time the swing lows are intact, I will not be bearish. Until the time I see higher lows and higher highs, I will not be bearish. Till that only I will be bearish when the swing lows are getting taken out, 17,000 is getting taken out, and I see lower highs and lower lows in the daily time frame. Not on the 4-hourly time frame. I don't care. Okay, so on the 4-hourly time frame, I have drawn this particular zone, which you can see the markets have taken a good resistance here, support here, resistance here, and we are currently doing the same. So what do we do from here now? I'll go to a shorter time frame now. I'm using the top down approach. So as you can see, this range here, this. Okay, as you can see, what does this tell you? That the bulls don't want this level to get taken out. Okay, even though intraday wise we saw a good fall here. Okay, but still, if you go to the 15-minute chart, do you see this huge red candle, huge green candle? No wonder intraday wise it had fallen here. Many people have minted money today, I know, and y'all deserve it. Trust me, y'all deserve it. Okay, but you see this level right here. This just shows that the bulls aren't ready to give up yet. There is someone who's buying, beat the FIs or beat the DIs. To hell with it. Okay, the only thing is that someone is buying here, and we are ending at almost the day's high. Not almost the day's high, but near the day's high. Okay, which tells me that even after China's war rumor, even after everything, the bulls are still strong. And what does this tell me? We've also been consolidating in this particular range since a very long time. Okay, and I had made this range and I had shared this with my brother, this particular range, and he also said that yeah, this range is valid because you're seeing buying from here, and you are seeing selling from here, and we aren't able to sustain this level. So are the markets trying to consolidate, build a strong base, and then give a good move, or are the bulls tired right now and the bears are taking control slowly? I feel the markets are compressing right now, consolidating, and then we are due for a big move. This is the same case as we saw as we saw here. No, I mean close to this, close to the same range. I mean here we consolidated, we gave a breakout, we failed, consolidated, and then we look at the beautiful move we gave. So, and to support this analysis, I have one more analysis which will most probably change your mind and change your perspective of thinking about the markets going bullish. Okay, so my game plan for tomorrow is that if we open here in Nifty, okay, Bank Nifty will come to later. If we open here, we play this range and we play this range. Okay, we don't do anything else because there will just be whipsaws here. Okay, I know this range is a little hard to play यार. Friday है bro, I want थोड़ा profits यार. घर पे जाके थोड़ा मस्त chill करना है bro. Friday को देखना है यार. देखिए यार Friday को मस्त profit हुआ. अरे भाई, see, you have the entire week. Friday are mostly sideways. Okay, mostly everyone's just chilling. Everyone has minted money during the week, so I don't think so anyone is active on Fridays. So most of the people aren't, but unless it's very trendy, just go with the flows on Friday. Please don't overtrade, or please don't say that yaar aaj trade karna hi on Fridays. Okay, so be cautious on Fridays. I'll tell you, Wednesdays Wednesdays mess with your mind, and Fridays just go with the flow. Thursdays expect volatility and expect a trendy day, especially if Wednesday is flat. Tuesday option buyers can do it, option buyers can go. Monday pure price action, what has happened during the weekend. That's how the way you plan for the week. Okay, so I will make a separate video on how to plan for the week and etc. So if you want that, just make sure to give me 5 likes on this video. If you give me 5 likes on this video, I'll definitely do that. So for tomorrow, if you open flat to negative, flat to positive, I'll just play this and this range. If we open gap down tomorrow, let's say here, even if we open gap down, what's the max that can happen? If you open gap down 116 points, or even if you open here, let's touch this level. Once we touch this level, once we see a bullish candle, a morning star, I will go long here. Why will I go long here? You see this, you see this, you see this, you see this. Why won't I go long here? Tell me, why won't I go long here? If I draw the weekly pivot will probably be here, and that's where we will take support. So tomorrow when we open gap down, let us touch this level. We'll take a upside trade. I'm fine if I get stopped out. I'll keep my stop loss with this 50% of this candle. It's fine if I get stopped out. My analysis is that this is a good level for buying, and to support it, I will also draw the volume profile, and I'll show this to you. Okay, volume profile is not gonna show it, I'm pretty sure. Wait, let's see if volume profile shows it, agrees with our analysis. Okay, give me 1 second. It's coming close to that level, but yeah, if I draw today's volume profile, then I think maybe it'll come there. Yeah, see, again here there's buying here, this buying here. Okay, so I mean it's close to that level, but it's not exact, but still you get the point, right? There is heavy activity being traded here. So, and especially if you look at the green volumes, there are a lot of bullish volumes, and the bears aren't even being able to break the POC properly. That means that there are bulls strong in the markets, and there are people who can bring up the markets if we fall down. Okay, and if I go to Bank Nifty is completely a different case for now. At least for Nifty, we are planning for tomorrow. Bank Nifty, I'll be just coming in a bit. So flat and negative, flat to positive, gap up, you know what to do. Gap up, if you open, then okay, again sorry for the disturbance. Flat to negative, flat to positive, gap up, gap down, you know what to do. Gap up, we mostly won't open, all thanks to this. But even if we do open gap up, then just know we'll open gap up around here. We take a breakout trade here. There is no point playing in this range. This will just create whipsaws. Okay, so that's it for my Nifty analysis. Coming to Bank Nifty, top down approach, and coming from the weekly analysis, Bank Nifty looks a little more cleaner to me than Nifty, because we're taking a rejection here. This is what weekly pivots, and this is 25th October, and this is 13 June or 28th June, whatever it is. Where is the trend line coming, and where are we taking a rejection from? From a golden Fibonacci level 0.618. So can you say Nifty and Bank Nifty both are at crucial levels? Yes. Okay, you can say that. Nifty might have crossed the crucial levels, but Bank Nifty is at its crucial levels. So what we need to plan right now is that how are we going to trade Bank Nifty for tomorrow? Bank Nifty 32, 32, 37, 245 is one good support, and the 0.5 which is coming at around 38 161 or 38 136 is a good resistance for the markets. Okay, again in Bank Nifty, this one is a swing low, this is a swing low. Till these are intact, why should I go short? This is a swing low. Okay, if the market is doing this and if the market is doing this, then only I'll go short. Now boss, why will I go short here? Am I trying to find a top in the advancing markets? No, never do that. You will always get trapped. Never try to find a top in an advancing market. That's a rule. And always respect the swing lows, right? Okay. Cool. So then what do we do here is basically I will be short on Bank Nifty once we cross, once we are trading around these levels. If once we break 36,000 levels, that's when I will be kind of negative in Bank Nifty. If I draw a Fibonacci from here also, then also you will agree with me, because this this is coming as an important swing low, also also a Fibonacci level, and this has a 0.5 level. So here the bulls and bears will fight. We can see an area of energy compression and then breakout or breakdown. Breakout will most likely not happen, because if the market wants to go up, it will go up right now only. Most of the things have been factored in from the market. So till the time we are at 30, we are above 36,000. I'm currently bullish on the markets. Okay, so I don't think so there is much anything more to be discussed in Bank Nifty. It's pretty straightforward. Look at where we are taking rejection, look at where we are taking support even after a massive fall. Look at what the trend is. Still the trend is not completely bearish. Why should I go short? If it's a if we are sideways for another week, let's say, if we are sideways for another week, arey bhai, you don't know the move that will come. If we are respecting these levels, then you have no idea what move this will come. Option sellers, option buyers, everyone will make money. Only pigs will get slaughtered. Okay, so yeah, that's it. Coming to the 4 hourly time frame, again we are taking rejection from here and we are taking support from this area. I've drawn the Fibonacci levels, and I've told you swing lows need to be intact. Swing lows will act as good supports, followed by the Fibonacci level which I have drawn. Short only when the trend is lower. Swing lows have been swing lows have been taken. Trend is downtrend, and then what do you call this thing is negative. 36,000 has been taken out. So if you want, I'll give you a good Bank Nifty point and figure chart as well. Bank Nifty point and figure chart. Bank Nifty point and figure chart tells me to short below 32,500, but okay, we'll ignore Bank Nifty point and figure chart for now. We'll just focus on Nifty point and figure chart, and there's no trend line and there's nothing much. Bank Nifty tells me to go long above 39,000. That's one thing you need to take care of. So point and figure chart doesn't tell me anything much on the downside, but it tells me that 39,000 ko cross kiya, so then we can see a good move towards the upside. Okay, that's it with the point and figure chart of Bank Nifty. And and let's go into the chart analysis, and then I'll give you some macro insights. Not macro insights, micro insights. Alright, so Bank Nifty, as you can see, very choppy, right? Very choppy. Yep, indeed. So again, shorter time frame we are consolidating, longer time frame also, daily chart also we are consolidating, but it looks like a breakout consolidation. Okay, I'm not even going to lie, it looks like the markets can break out, and I'll give you one more reason as well. So tomorrow, what do we do? What is the game plan, Harit? So first, let me draw Fibonacci from here. Will you play this? Will you play in between this range? If you open here, will you play here? No. Will you if you open here, will you play this rejection? Maybe. If we open gap down, if we open here, will you take a bullish trade? Yes. Now why am I saying maybe here? Because we have consolidated in this range. Nifty has also consolidated. Banks are strong. What is the harm in breaking out? Tell me. Correct. We already tested this level twice. If we come thrice, then we can actually break it. and the fact that we have seen such a huge intraday recovery, and followed we are opening flat, and there are bulls who are so strong that they are driving the markets from bloody 37,000 to 38,200. That just shows me that the bulls are much more stronger than the bears. Okay, and coming to the Bank Nifty volume profile analysis, I will tell you that this don't include these two red candles, these two red volumes, and look at the other volumes of green. They are always bigger than the red since almost 28th July. They're almost bigger than the red, unless opening bell is a different thing, but the buyers are much more stronger than the sellers. Okay, and currently Bank Nifty is at a level which is at its POC, and if you want me, I'll draw a POC from here also. If you want, I draw it from here. Still it comes as 37,900. Okay, so 37,900 can act as a good POC resistance, and let's see how that plays out for tomorrow. And if you want, we'll draw the Virgin POC, if there is one Virgin POC. Is there a Virgin POC? Let's see. Okay, not really. I don't think so. There's a Virgin POC anywhere. I'm just drawing it here so that it's easier for all of us. Elliott wave. Okay, I'm just doing this for the sake of our reference. Okay guys, so please bear with me for like 2 minutes. Let me just do this real quick. This will be very beneficial for us. Alright, and okay, so this is not an indicator. I have drawn this manually. Okay, so what does the market tell me? Here there is good buying coming in. Okay, this is good support, followed by here there is good selling. Okay, this level, good selling. Now if we break this with good buying volumes, or if we come here and then we can take a good bullish trade, then this should easily get taken out. Okay, there aren't a lot of volumes getting traded here. Sure, there was this huge red candle, but it was not here. Okay, so if we break out of this level, then I'm pretty sure we will go bullish on the markets, and I will also personally take a trade. And tomorrow will be simple for Bank Nifty. If we open flat to negative, flat to positive, we won't do anything. We will play this long range. Okay, this is long range. But if we open gap up, let's say if we open here, we can plan for a rejection trade, or if we open gap down, we can plan for a reversal trade from here. There are buyers here and there are sellers here, but buyers are strong, so sellers can get taken out very easily. I know this market analysis is a little lengthy, so please bear with me. I'm sorry. And coming to the last part of the market analysis, which is this, what I want to tell you all is that if I go to chart and tools, and if I go to RRG charts. Now what are the RRG charts? These basically tell me that what is strong and what is not strong. Okay, so if I go to dollar CNX IP, I do this, I see this, I'll place a comma, dollar CNX fin, I place a comma, I write dollar CNX FMCG, okay, and I write comma dollar CNX other auto, okay. So if I do this, and if I compare it to what dollar Nifty, Bank Nifty, no, we'll compare it to Nifty broader index, right? Okay, update, cool. So what does this tell me? This basically tells me that currently the improving sector is IT, leading sector from improving it's going to Fin Nifty, FMCG and auto. FMCG is coming down. We don't focus on auto. Auto is just there for the fillers. FMCG is coming down to the weakening of the sector. Okay. Now, as far as my knowledge goes, I might be wrong, so please correct me if I'm wrong. But as far as my knowledge goes, when the markets have to be strong, there is a shift from value to growth. And when the markets are bearish, there is a shift from growth to value. So let's say let's say all the stocks are doing well right now. We see some correction, but this chart remains the same, and Nifty is IT is leading. IT is going forward to leading, and Nifty is staying in leading, and FMCG is coming down to weakening. That is a sign of strength. Why? Because trend is uptrend, swing lows are been maintained. RRG chart says that the leading sectors are IT and financial service, which are the main sectors for bullishness. Let's say the inflation data comes low, or bhi acha, all these stocks will pump more finance sector pe there will be shift, FMCG pe there will be profit booking. FMCG has been rallying since a long time. FMCG will also cool down. Let's say then what can happen? So then we can see some good bullishness, and then we can say that yeah, the worst is over. The worst is already over, but now the good is starting. Okay, the darkness has gone. We have made the bottom. We have already made the bottom, to be honest, and we have made the bottom, and I think now is the time that we can finally maybe cross the 18,000 levels, but that will still take time, and that we will have to keep a close eye out on this the RRG chart. Okay. And again, all credits to Devang Mehra for this analysis, not this analysis, but for this analysis idea. So all credits to him. God bless you and God bless him. Okay, so I think that's about it for Bank Nifty analysis. I don't have anything much more to add. So guys, God bless you, love you, and please make sure to like the stream. 5 likes and I will definitely make a video on Point Africa chart and the RRG ratios and the swing lows. Okay, and the weekly basis ka thingy. 5 likes only, guys. It's just 2 more likes. Just go to your account and like. Okay.